It's recording.
That is D682.
So that was amber? No, that was yellow.
There's amber, green, and D682.
So that was D682.
Yes.
Where's Amber?
Amber. That's Amber.
Amber! It doesn't really show different in the video. There was green. Yay! You did it, babe.
I did. That is actually really cool.
That's really green, too.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So, okay, I'll see what it does. We had yellow, amber, and green, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's basically just mixing two colors when you... The D682 is the color that it's mixing.
So you always have to have one on that one.
Yeah. Oh, that is so cool. You gotta admit, that's cool.
That is cool. You can do your own little
Morse code.
Morse code, yeah.
Can't believe I got that to work.
All from a little 9-volt battery. Didn't you solder this piece on?
Yep, they're both soldered. And so everyone knows, this plate came off of another 9-volt battery. You strip that off, pluck it off of that battery, then you flip it around positive to negative on the new battery, and solder two wires onto that, and then connect that to these, to the solder joints on here.
That's really cool.
That's my first electronics project too. And this actually works. That is awesome.
Yeah, that is cool. Good job, babe.
Thank you. Okay, so just to correct myself from last time, the D682 is the circuit that's getting the power, and then I believe the negative wire hooks onto either the green or the amber to make that, so it's not actually mixing them. So, yeah.
So the D862 is the one that always has to have a charge on it.
Yeah.
And then you pick which color you want, either the green or the amber.
Right.
Good to know.